The number one most reliable way to tell if your watermelon is ripe on the vine is this little brown dingy coming out of the stem right here. Back when the watermelon was still ripening, that little dingy that is now brown was bright green. As you can see, this trendle is fully brown all the way back to the stem, and that indicates that this wonderful watermelon is fully ripe and ready to pick. There are several different ways to kind of tell if this is ripe, like looking at the color, listening to the sound. But the number one most reliable is definitely that little green trendle because it's always basically accurate as far as I know. I personally used to wait until this dried up, but then I found out that's not an accurate measurement either. That sometimes these watermelons will be fully good and ready to go, and they'll still be green and firmly attached to the vine. People have different names for it. They call it the curlicue, the big tail. I call it the little green dingy, personally. But whatever you call it, the fact remains. When it is fully dry all the way back to the stem, the watermelon is ripe. Unless you have sugar baby watermelon. Sugar baby watermelon need to be left on the vine to fully sweeten up for 10 days after this goes dry. So keep that in mind if you planting sugar baby. Now that we know that this big, humongous, gorgeous watermelon is ripe, let's bring it in and cut it. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Oh. We are once again back in the kitchen with the giant, and it's literally been 4 years since he caught a watermelon for us. Wow. So welcome him back to the channel. He has been very busy with his hand modeling. Without further ado, cut it. It's tough. Oh my gosh, it's perfect! The watermelon's perfect, guys! Whoa-ho! The big, gorgeous, humongous watermelon is absolutely perfect. I hope you found this video helpful, but now it's time to say goodbye. Bye, 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 perfect watermelon. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, 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 bye. Goodbye. Always remember to be happy. I'm buzzing away. Woo!
Go with Ozzie, quit the bee, and learn some gardening. Plants, flowers, it doesn't matter, we'll get better. It's only the beginning now, so let's sow our seeds and pluck the weeds, and let the sun do the rest.